Hello, peeps. What is up in his house of the Sarah Cormican house? Look at my messy room. You're done. So, let's rant. What should we rant about, peeps? I know. Mother Nature, this is to you. Ranting time. So, what am I going to rant about? Rain. What if you have a perfect day plan, yet it rains? I was on the boardwalk, and I couldn't post many videos because it rained. Yeah, it rained. So I was like, what the heck? I want to ride rides in peace, Mother Nature. But crops need rain. Well, just make it rain on crops. There's no crops on wood. You can't go crops on wood. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Now you can. Seriously. If I ask her that, will she start singing Rain is a Good Thing? Rain makes corn. Corn makes whiskey. Whiskey makes my baby feel a little frisky. I listen to too much country. I'm back. And, so, will she start listening to that? You know, Brian says rain is a good thing. You know what I say? Make it rain on crops. Seriously. I want to enjoy life, but I can't because it rains. It rains. I can't enjoy life because it rains. Sorry for complaining. I just wanted to get that off my chest. If you have a similar situation, post down in the comments below. Nobody posted on my last rant from last week, but I'll make one up. No, I won't. See you later, peeps.